Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Beat. I'm your host, Sarah, and today we've got an episode that's going to supercharge your English fluency. If you've ever felt stuck in conversations, repeating the same old phrases, this one's for you. Our title says it all. I bet you still say, I think. The Fluency Killer and its one-word replacement. I bet you're curious already. Stick around because we're revealing a simple trick that native speakers use all the time. And joining me is our amazing teacher, Ben, who's got that calm, expert vibe to guide us through. Ben, take it away.
Thanks, Sarah. Hello, listeners and viewers of the English Beat. I'm Ben, and I'm thrilled to be here helping you level up your English speaking skills. Today, we're tackling a common habit that holds back so many English learners from sounding truly fluent. It's something you probably say without even noticing, I think. Sounds innocent, right? But trust me, it's a sneaky fluency killer. By the end of this episode, you'll have a powerful one-word replacement that makes you sound more confident and natural. Let's dive in, shall we?
Ooh, Ben, you're building suspense already. Audience, if you're nodding along thinking, yeah, I think a lot, drop a comment below with a thumbs up emoji. Let's see how many of us are in this together. Okay, Ben, why is I think such a big deal? Break it down for us.
Great question, Sarah. As English learners, we often use I think as a filler phrase when we're sharing opinions. It's like a safety net. It softens what we say in case we're wrong. But here's the thing. Native speakers don't overuse it. It can make your speech sound hesitant, repetitive, and less engaging. Imagine you're in a job interview or chatting with friends. Saying, I think this is good over and over. It slows you down and kills that smooth flow. Studies on language fluency show that reducing fillers like this can boost your confidence by 30% in conversations. That's huge for improving English speaking.
Haha, Ben, you're making me rethink my whole life. I remember when I was learning English, I'd say I think before every sentence. It was like my brain's loading screen. Audience, sound familiar? Pause the video right now and think of a time you overused it. Got it? Now hit play, because Ben's about to drop the fix. What's this magical one-word replacement, Ben?
All right, here's the reveal. The one-word replacement is believe. Instead of I think it's raining, say I believe it's raining. See how it sounds more assertive? Believe carries weight. It shows conviction without the hesitation. It's a staple in advanced English vocabulary for opinions. Native speakers love it because it's direct and professional. Let's practice with examples.
Yes, let's make this fun. I'll throw out scenarios and you, Ben, show the before and after. Audience, repeat after Ben in your head, or out loud if you're alone. This is your fluency workout.
Perfect. Example 1, talking about a movie. Before, I think the ending was surprising. After, I believe the ending was surprising. Feels stronger, doesn't it?
Totally. Next, giving advice to a friend. I think you should try this restaurant.
I believe you should try this restaurant. Boom, more persuasive.
Haha, now I believe I need dinner. One more, in a meeting. I think this plan will work.
I believe this plan will work. See, it turns hesitation into leadership. Pro tip, believe comes from Old English meaning to hold dear. So, you're not just thinking, you're committing to your idea. This small swap fixes common mistakes in English and ramps up your speaking fluency.
Wait, audience, don't go yet. If you're loving this, smash that like button and subscribe to the English Beat for more tips on English fluency tips, common English errors, and how to speak English like a pro. Ben, any comedy gold here? Tell us a funny story about I think.
Oh, sure. I once had a student who said, I think, so much in a presentation that the audience started counting. By the end, he said it 25 times. He laughed it off and switched to believe. Next time, 0 counts, and he nailed the deal. Moral, ditch the killer, embrace the winner.
Classic. That's why we call it the fluency killer. It sneaks up on you. Now, for retention, quiz time. Pause and answer. What's the one-word fix for I think? If you said believe, you're spot on. Share in the comments. How will you use believe this week? Maybe in an email or chat?
Exactly. Remember, English learners, fluency isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Replacing I think with believe is your secret weapon. Practice daily, and you'll notice conversations flowing easier. You're capable of amazing things in English.
Wow, Ben, that was inspiring. Thanks for the wisdom. Audience, if this episode helped, comment, I believe I'm fluent below. Check out our playlist on improving English speaking for more gems. This is Sarah from the English Beat, signing off. Keep beating that English drum. See you next time.